turning negative feedback into positive growth, a writer's experience. Sophie, an aspiring writer, was struggling to deal with the criticism she received for her latest piece. She was feeling discouraged and unsure about her writing abilities when she met a senior writer who would change her perspective on feedback. The writer had noticed Sophie's frustration and offered to read her work and provide feedback. Sophie was hesitant at first, but she accepted the offer, hoping to learn from the experienced writer. As she received feedback from the senior writer, Sophie was surprised to find that the criticism was not harsh or judgmental but constructive and helpful. The writer pointed out specific areas of improvement and offered suggestions for how Sophie could strengthen her writing. By accepting feedback constructively, Sophie further developed her skills in writing. Feeling inspired, Sophie asked the senior writer for more feedback and advice. The writer shared her own experiences with receiving criticism and how they learned to use feedback to improve their writing. With this newfound knowledge, Sophie began to approach feedback differently. She no longer saw criticism as a personal attack but as an opportunity to learn and grow as a writer. She joined writing groups and workshops, seeking out feedback from others, and used the feedback to refine her writing style. Sophie's dedication paid off, and her writing improved with each round of feedback. She learned to embrace her strengths as a writer and work on her weaknesses. Through her journey, she discovered the power of feedback and the importance of having a growth mindset. The story is a testament to the value of mentorship and the importance of being open to learning from others. With the right mindset and dedication, we can use feedback to improve our skills and achieve our goals. We can gain experience and knowledge by sharing and receiving from others, learning new information and skills that we alone will not be able to obtain.